When the record finally ends, he is still barking, sitting there in the oboe section, barking, his eyes fixed on the conductor who is entreating him with his baton, while the other musicians listen in respectful silence to the famous barking dog solo, that endless coda that first established Beethoven as an innovative genius. They get worse. Okay? So if you want to lie down or get sick, take a sick day, do it now. Okay, this is for the shorter attention span crowd. Back over here. Cell phones. This is called Poet's Work by Loreen Nidecker. Accent on the first syllable. Grandfather advised me, learn a trade. I learned to sit at desk and condense. No layoff from this condensery. See, that's short. Got that done. We're getting paid by the poem here, so that's where it's piecework. Now we have an opportunity for one of you to step forward and do some of your own original poetry. Come on, don't be shy. Come on, don't be shy. All right, now I'm going to read a corny one for you. For those of you that really want to walk out. What's this gal's name again? Oh, yeah, Emily Dickinson. I dwell in possibility, a fairer house than prose, more numerous of windows, superior for doors, of chambers as the cedars, impregnable of eye, and for an everlasting roof, the gambrels of the sky, of visitors, the fairest, for occupation, this, the spreading wide my narrow hands to gather paradise. Guess who chose that one? Yeah, I've been waiting for applause, fellas. What's the deal? Hey, what, do you think I'm getting paid for this? Lastly, I want to say thank you for building this and putting yourselves into it, the way the poets put themselves into their words and the way all New Yorkers put themselves into what they really gravitate to, what really makes them a man or a woman. And this site is, I know you all feel it when you come here. I know I feel it when I come down here. The fact that it's going to be here is a pretty nice piece of bliss. It's a little bit of balm. It's the hope that comes out at the end of Pandora's box. So, thank you very much.